Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Zhejianghua Power Company. It's a well-run and trusted company that specializes in providing efficient and reliable energy storage solutions for industrial and commercial customers. Our main goal is to help customers optimize energy use, reduce energy costs, improve the reliability of energy supply, and promote the use of sustainable energy. And now we locate on the 5th floor. Here is our SMT workshop and assembling line. We can notice these are our raw materials. This workshop produces BMS board, high voltage control box, and EMS control box with the company's own electrical property rights. Here is our automatic pack production line, valued around 10 million Chinese yuan. This group of machines adopts the most advanced intelligent control technology, which can complete efficiently and accurately various production tasks. Now please follow me, I will show you our 2nd floor. Here is our module assembling workshop, including battery cell testing, assembly, pack binding, polarity testing, pole cleaning, laser welding, module testing, and etc. The above process ensures that the battery cells with the same configuration are firmly connected, as well as the voltage and internal resistance and other parameters meet our stringent production standards. And on my left side, these are our semi-finished products. We also have our own intelligent battery aging test system. Next, I will show you our sample room. At the end, I will show you our finished products warehouse. According to the product capacity size, the assembled battery modules will form different battery clusters. The battery cluster will be loaded into cabinets with different size.